Hi everyone, welcome back to another Paige the Python video. This is what Paige looked like at the end of this week. And we read a lot of music themed books this week. So of course, if our theme is music, we had to start off with the one and only Pete the Cat. This time we read Pete the Cat and the Cool Cat Boogie, where Pete learns about how to dance to his own beat and not worry about what other people are thinking. We're going to count this one as a rhyming book, which means that it'll get a beige stripe. Then we moved on to Berlioz the Bear by Jan Brett, another favorite for our students, where Berlioz is trying his best to get to his orchestra performance, but there are some obstacles that come up along the way. This was a very cute book and a pretty quick read, but a little bit more involved than something like Pete the Cat, so it was a good middle-of-the-road book. We're going to count this as an animal book, so it's going to get a gold heather stripe. Then with some of my older students doing picture books, we read Duke Ellington, which is a classic children's book. And we learned about Duke Ellington's music and jazz and all of that wonderful history stuff. We're going to count this as a nonfiction book. And then lastly, and I told the kids I promised that I did not choose two bear books on purpose. It was just what I was able to find. But we also read The Bear Who Loved Puccini, which was a really cool story about a bear who decides to dedicate his life to becoming an opera singer. Very unique story. I thought that this one was going to go over the kids' heads and it would have too many references in it that they didn't understand. But because every step is so well explained, they really loved this book and were talking about it a lot. We're going to count this one as an animal book as well. So without further ado, let's give Paige some more stripes. And here she is with her new stripes added. Check back next week to see what we read next.